Alright YouTube, Tim Robson here. I'm going camping. It's gonna be really cold tonight and there's gonna be a lot of wind, a chance of snow on the higher ground. Not only that, but I'm going camping with Carlisle 195, which is awesome. It's been months since I was camping with John. So I'm looking forward to that. I've got my Amok packed. I'm doing a bit of a lighter weight camp than I used to do when I came camping with John. Probably only got about half the weight in my bag. Anyway, I'm literally just set off. Got a good few miles to walk before I meet John, and then another few miles after that. So I'll catch up with you along the way and let you know how I'm getting on. Stay tuned. I'm just thinking it's a shame I have to walk through all this kind of stuff to get to go camping. It'd be a lot better if it was just like 4 miles of really nice countryside rather than 4 miles of back streets of cities. The great thing about this is it's not night time. I get to walk out to meet John and it's still light, which I'm enjoying. Just want to say a thank you to everybody who's watching my videos, and over the last, well, in general, but over the last few months I've had quite a good boost in views and likes, which is awesome. So yeah, thank you all very much. If you like what you see in my videos, I know I don't post as regularly as some people would enjoy, but I don't get the opportunity nor have the finances to go out every week. You know, I'd like to go out 2 times a week, but yeah, I don't have the resources to do so. So if you can be putting up with me only posting every now and again, you still like what you see, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and yeah, that'd be a great help. Thank you. That's me finally leaving the city, getting to the edges of it. It's quite funny to think I have to set off from one side of Carlisle and walk to the total opposite side of Carlisle, and then walk a good few more miles. But having this Amok, not having to carry all that heavier weight with my underquilt and everything else, is making all the difference. I'd usually have had to stop maybe 4 or 5 times by now to get the weight off my back from my pack. Not today. I've not stopped once. Anyway, I'll stop jiggling you all about and get on with it. Here he is, the man of the moment. Aye, we've got a decent bit down the way since I met John. It's looking like a decent day still. Any clouds I've seen have just been blowing over, and it's good. The river's quite full. Not been up this way. Yeah. Aye, it certainly is. Not been up this way for a while.
Strong winds tonight.
Good.
Possible sleet and snow.
Should be good. Could also be the end of my tarp.
I brought some duct tape.
Good job. Right, catch you up with you later. Yep. Hailstones. They're getting heavier as well. It just started a little bit light.
Coming in waves.
Yeah, just drifting in. Well, that's positive news for later on when it gets colder. Here's John. We've just got to the first island camp. Man, that's wobbly. I'm surprised that log's still there. Slippy, yeah?
Can't see.
Leap!
Oh, God.
Nice one. Here we are, the mud slog begins. We're all Gore-Texed up. Really hasn't changed since last year. Well, we're well on our ways now. We're in the second woodland, on the way to the main woodland camp. It's been a good walk. It's nice in the daytime, plenty of places and opportunities to stop and rest and have a chat. It's a muddy old path. There's John. You can barely make him out in all his camo. The weather's not really done anything since we got that hail. Stayed pretty dry.
We love the mud.
Oh yes. Swamp rats to the end. We're finally here. Got to the main woodland camp. It's really nice to be back. There's still light in the sky, which is unusual. Looking forward to getting the Amok set up, but we'll get a fire going and get a brew on first, I think. Well, that's us both set up now. John's hammock and everything. Mine's there, under my ramshackle tarp. John helped me stick it together with some duct tape. Seems to be holding for the time being. It's not taking too much weight on there, but... And I've got the amazing Amok under here. Looking forward to getting in this thing later on and being real nice and warm. It's really nice night. Glad that it's stayed dry while we've been setting up and everything.
Just said that it started to rain. I could feel the spits on
Yeah,
my back.
I can too. I'm a jinxy fucker like. Well, hopefully this is a sign of things to come. I know it's not much, but that's snow on my tarp. Yep, it's snowing. I hope this keeps up like. It is dinner time and I am starving. I've got leg burgers. That's what I call a fire. Whole trees pretty much. That is kicking out some real heat. Got a nice little tarp set up over the top of us. John in a tree. Yeah, it's a big tree. That's what I call a fire. pull trees pretty much. That is kicking out some real heat. Got a nice little tarp set up over the top of us. Well, I was starting to think that the weatherman was lying, but that's snowing. So I'm pretty chuffed. It's not snowing very heavily, but it's literally just started. So fingers crossed it lasts. I had to retreat from the fire. I'll have to zoom in on the steaks because that was just too hot.
The heat is incredible.
Yeah, it really is. Oh.
Shit, man.
Now I have the joy of munching my way through this half a chocolate lemon trifle, which is just really nice. Real good. Yeah, I stupidly forgot to bring a plate with me, or a knife and fork and all that kind of stuff, so this was my steak knife. And yeah, my knee is my plate. Look at that beautiful steak. Tagliatelle and steak. John's just beefing the fire up a bit more, or a lot more. Morning. It's been a good night. A really good sleep. I slept for probably about 11 hours on and off. Woke up to pee at some point. Woke up to reset my hammock straps, and that was that. Oh, yeah. It's been a really good night. Had a really good time. Some bloody good fire. We had a tree fall in the middle of the night with the wind. That's it there. All hooked up on other trees. That wasn't like that last night. I was standing. Heard some loud cracks going off. Well, we're up now. Got a good fire going. Get some heat into us. Coffee's one of the most important parts of any morning. Still quite cold, but there was no snow.
Weather forecast man's a liar.
Yeah, he is. He's a total liar. 6 centimetres my foot. Aye, anyway, just sitting here enjoying the morning. Well, that's us packed up and on our way home now. It's been a great camp. Really good night. Anyway, I'm going to stop recording now because, as you can see, we've got a lot of scrambling to do. Right, thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed.